Hi. I think it's quite possible that I've never seen or heard of anybody as uninclined mechanically as I have proven to be. I don't know how many times this transmission's been out and back in again and out again and in again, but watch it, watch it, watch a cat, watch him. Where's the cat? Get him, girl, get him. Get the cat. Is there a cat in there? Is there a cat in there? Watch the cat. Watch the cat. All right. I had thought that might be a good place there to keep all the parts I pull out of the transmission. If she keeps it up, I'm gonna have everything covered in dirt. So after I clean off the table, I am going to gut this transmission, pull all the broken stuff out, try and figure out which pieces are broken, and find some more parts out of this lucky box here to stuff in there. I'm not buying anything. I realized when I got here to finally look at this thing after it fell out, I realized that the bell housing's been cracked, so that's lovely. I'm not gonna fix that either, I don't think. I'm doing a whole lot of not fixing things. All right, I am a transmission expert. I can do this with my eyes closed. I actually have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm like a train going down a mountain with a blown up engine and no brakes. I just keep gaining speed until I eventually run off the tracks and crash and explode. Hard to do that with an impact gun that doesn't work. Let's just hit it with a hammer. All right, maybe I shouldn't hit it with a hammer. Let's hit it again. There we go. There goes that. How's everything looking here? Looks great. Good job. What's that? That looks like something that fell apart. Who are you and what do you do? There goes that. We'll file that over there for safekeeping. We'll take the filter off. File that over there for safekeeping. To loosen or tighten a bolt. There's the bolt that I took out. It's a hollow bolt. I can see through it. Can you see me through it? Mm-hmm. There's a hole in the middle. You see me? Hi. Okay, let's put it over there for good luck. Okay, let's put this over here. Then I'm going to grab this transmission and stand it up. Ah! I've got some helpers here today. What's your name?
Digador.
What's your name?
Alvina. His name's Digador.
What's your name?
Nathan.
Nice. Thanks for helping, guys. You guys are helping get all the dirt off the tires?
I'm cutting the dirt off.
Cool. Is that your saw?
This is my saw. These are my needle. That's my screwdriver. This is, well, and that's my knife.
Nice.
I don't know what I use my knife for. I probably just use it like this.
All right, be careful. Don't cut your finger off.
Sorry.
What you doing in there, Danger?
It's the one you can call Danger.
Oh, cool.
It's the one you can call Danger.
All right, thanks for cleaning it.
Yeah, I never took a transmission. And
Your chipper's orange?
Yeah,
nice.
and on top of the record in my record on tip,
gotta be careful with the chipper.
Yeah, chipper. No, I like with Daddy.
Okay.
And that
Okay, and the excavator.
yeah, and put on me and want to do my own chipper and do it. And do it to dump it.
Dump it out?
Yeah, and make that go a nap.
Okay.
Yeah, mate.
I never took a
When
transmission
make
apart.
eat peanut butter and make that go naps.
Peanut butter?
Yeah, make that baby. Peanut butter? Yeah, make that eat. But that my daddy went the peanut butter pool and butter make them or make that. Yeah,
I think they do.
and
Can you climb this tire? This big tire on the back of the monster truck?
Dad, don't go on outside.
Okay.
Yeah, Mom, I got my house. Yeah. One more that nap. That made that one more. That down.
Okay.
Yeah, going outside.
All right, I'll see you soon.
You know what I like that? Did it make that? Here, we put this on.
He's a good boy, but I don't know what he was talking about. Okay. Now, it's time to take this Turbo 400 apart. So, let's take this transmission apart and see what's inside of it. Oh, I don't know what this part does, but let's put it over here for good luck. You're driving? Nice.
Can you get down so I can get in? No. Why?
All right, there goes that.
Up here and stay up here? Yeah, go in the tire. I can't go in the tire. Why? Make it.
Oh, I don't know. I haven't been able to fix one yet, buddy. I keep trying, but it's not really working out in my favor.
Well, the one monster show it worked.
Okay. Yeah, it did work once. Worked a couple of times.
How many times?
Oh, I don't know. Okay, so there we go. That's not, what was that?
I can see the monster.
No, that's a
again.
piece of
Yay,
your-
Nate.
Okay. There goes that. This baby's just
I'm coming over
falling
here.
apart. They're totally separated. This is supposed to be your clutch.
Oh, you.
That's like a piece of sandpaper glued onto there, and it's just totally fallen apart and separated. So we can see here
What's behind you?
that the clutches have just fallen apart.
You can't come over here. There's not enough.
This is supposed to be attached
No.
to this metal
No,
here.
no, hook it.
They've just totally fallen apart, and that would be why this transmission doesn't work.
If you want, you can pull yourself up.
I suppose I probably should have put a little bit more thought into taking a transmission out of the junkyard and just throwing it in the truck.
Yeah, you can get the tools and put them away.
But we just like to go with it.
Write this beautiful one down.
Do all
Wait,
this stuff.
We need this on.
That goes like that. That goes there.
What do we need?
Okay.
We need
Try and
to
sort all this out, put it all in the right spot in order on the table so that we know how to put it back together.
I can help you. I'm gonna pull myself up there. No, you can't use this. Yes, I can. No, you can't. It's for towing.
Hey, no fighting, no biting, no hitting, no shitting, no spitting, please.
Oh, he can't.
I don't care. I don't want to hear those noises or rebuttals. Have a nice day and play nice.
Wait, you won't get in trouble.
Sharing is caring.
I will if you. That one, Piggy. Now I'm gonna use the rope to come down. Okay. I'm gonna see if the rope to go down. Hop down. Oh, make it go down.
Okay, here we go.
I think
Oh,
that's
boy.
floating.
Oh boy, we've got ball bearings falling out. Ah. Oh, you dirty little duck. I'm gonna drive a monster truck. I'm gonna drive a monster truck.
Go take it.